Subscribe to our channel for the latest update videos.
Once upon a time, in the azure depths of the ocean, there lived a colony of seals. Among them was a special seal named Luna. Unlike her playful peers, Luna possessed a unique gift, the ability to bring serenity wherever she swam. Her presence would calm the turbulent waves and soothe even the fiercest storms. One night, as Luna sang her enchanting melody to the moon, she noticed a disturbance in the ocean's harmony. A dark shadow loomed over the horizon, casting fear into the hearts of the sea creatures. A massive ship, driven by greed and ignorance, approached the peaceful waters of the seal colony. Its engines roared, and its metal hull sliced through the waves, threatening to destroy everything in its path. Realizing the impending danger, Luna knew she had to act fast. With unwavering courage, she embarked on a daring quest to confront the humans and save her home. As she journeyed towards the surface, she encountered all manner of challenges, from treacherous currents to curious sea creatures. Finally, Luna breached the surface and came face to face with the humans aboard the ship. With her soulful eyes, she tried to convey the importance of preserving the ocean's beauty and the harmony of all its inhabitants. But the humans, blinded by their own desires, saw her only as a creature to be conquered. Undeterred, Luna sought out allies from all corners of the ocean, from wise dolphins to playful otters. Together, they formed an unstoppable force, united in their determination to protect their home. In a dramatic showdown, Luna and her friends faced off against the humans, using their combined strength and courage to thwart their destructive plans. In the end, it was not brute force but the power of harmony and unity that prevailed. As the sun rose on the horizon, casting its golden light upon the tranquil waters, Luna knew that their victory was not just for today but for all the tomorrows to come. With renewed determination, she vowed to continue her mission of spreading serenity and protecting the beauty of the ocean for generations to come. And so, the tale of Luna, the Seal of Serenity, spread far and wide, inspiring all who heard it to cherish and protect the wonders of the sea. With vibrant imagery and a heartwarming message of courage, unity, and environmental stewardship, the Seal of Serenity is sure to captivate audiences of all ages, leaving them with a sense of wonder and a newfound appreciation for the magic of the